Looking for a stockpot that delivers even heat, durability, and enough space to handle your biggest recipes? The CookNHome 8-quart stainless steel stockpot checks all those boxes and more. Its mirror-polished stainless steel body combined with a capsulated aluminum disc base ensures your food cooks evenly, eliminating those frustrating hot spots that can ruin a dish. I've used this pot for everything from no-bake cookies to rich sauces and hearty stews, and it's made a noticeable difference in my cooking. The thick, layered bottom not only prevents scorching but also maintains a steady temperature, so you can step away for a moment without worrying about burnt food. That's a game changer when you're juggling multiple tasks or customers, especially in a small business setting where efficiency matters. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. Plus, the comfortable riveted handles provide a secure grip, making it easy to move even when the pot is full. It's designed to work on all stovetops, induction, gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and its oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with the lid safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleanup is a breeze, too, since it's dishwasher safe. If you're ready to upgrade your cookware with a reliable, heavy-duty stockpot that handles large batches with ease, this one's worth a look. It's built to last, versatile enough for any kitchen, and designed to make tough recipes simpler and less stressful. Try it when you're ready to cook smarter and with confidence.